Hi, you are welcome to Hilltop Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to convert any number to a number in base 10. Before we continue, please like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's go. To do this, under 10 seconds, you will need to note that you are going to start with multiplication and end with addition. Now let's go. We are using the base to multiply. We are going to use the base to multiply this. We add this to it. Whatever we get, we multiply again. Then we add this to it. Whatever we get, we multiply. We add this to it. Whatever we get, we multiply. Then we add this to it. Then let's go now. 2 times 1 will give us 2. 2 plus 0 will still give us 0. Will give us 2. Sorry. 2 plus 0 will give us 2. Then 2 times 2 will give us 4. 4 plus 1 will give us 5. 5 times 2 will give us 10. 10 plus 0 is still 10. Then we will now multiply that 10 by 2, which gives us 20. 20 plus 1 gives us 21. So this is the answer. This is done under 10 seconds. You can even be faster with more and more practice. Now let me show you the steps so that it will be clear. The first thing we do there is 2 times 1. These 2 multiplying this one give us this. This gives us 2. Then 2 that we just got plus this 0 gives us 2. Then the 2 that we just got multiplied by the base gives us 4. The 4 that we just got plus 1, it gives us 5. The 5 that we just got multiplied by 2, which gives us 10. The 10 that we just got plus 0 is equal to 10. Then the 10 that we just got times 2 gives us 20. Then we now plus 1. Since there is no other number, our final answer is 21. Now let's do the next one, which is Roman figure 2. 301 raised to power to the base of 4. It gives us the same process. 4 times 3 gives us 12 plus 0 is still 12. The times 4. 12 times 4 gives us 48. The 48 plus 1 gives us 49. This is the final answer. You can try this one by yourself. Tell me the answer in the comments. Please like this video, share this video, and follow us. Please try and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next video.